Today, I'll welcome you all on the mountainside of Siquijor.
So today we're here at South Mountain Resort, just enjoying the infinity pool that you can see the water off across to Apple Island. It's just us. It is warm blue sky, although there was an overcast early in the morning when we are heading here for a drive. But right now, it's just, I think, the beauty of the tropics. So sometimes you get like really bad rainy day or rainy morning, but it doesn't mean that it's like bad all throughout. So I'm here still with these two, third wheeling, still wearing my favorite one-piece swimsuit, which is like monstera, some ferns, and some other tropical green plants. So if you want to know more about this place, I will put the link on their Facebook on the description box below and some of the information that you might need. So right now, you can join us.
So we can see if we need to cook it or it's okay with you.
Yeah,
or if it's
I think it's okay.
It's alright?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Good.
bloody. I like that. Don't worry because beef,
No, it's still bloody.
Okay.
wait lang.
Log.
I think too
Medium
much.
rare man. Okay lang, medium
Okay.
rare.
Okay
Is
lang.
it okay?
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Isn't it too much?
No, okay lang.
Lami ng onion rings.
And then we still have rice and then some veggies on the side. This is shrimp, onion rings, and medium rare steak. We've got the sides right here. And of course, wine.
Steak is good and reasonably priced for this place.
We came from a swim and we'll have this drink. Oh my god, I feel like so toasted. Like I'm like toasted bread, but whatever, I had fun.
That was a float. It was cool. It was nice.
It's a very refreshing day just to have a dip in the pool, and this is also an alternative for people who are not really into the beach.